Whoa! What's going on here? Now this is what's gonna happen, guys. So he's gonna grab the cup. Oh! What's up, pranksters? Welcome back. Welcome back to another prank video. And in this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys 5 ways that you guys can prank Santa Claus. Now I know what you guys are thinking. Why would you prank Santa Claus? Well, because we're pranksters, that's what we do, and nobody's off limits, not even Santa Claus when it comes to pranks. Maybe you're trying to get back at him for not giving you the stuff that you wanted last year, so this year we're gonna prank him. But before we begin, let's make sure that you are subscribed to this channel with all notifications turned on. Hit that thumbs up button, guys. 1,000 likes are appreciated. Check it out. So for this first prank, we're gonna set up a little booby trap on Santa Claus. Usually, he'll land on top of your house, on the roof. He'll leave his reindeer up there with his sleigh and all the presents. And he'll climb down the chimney and land on the fireplace, right? So hopefully there's no fire going on. Well, anyway, as soon as he steps into your house, you're gonna set up this little booby trap on him. And this right here is what's gonna help us out. It's a glue mouse trap that sticks to pretty much anything. So Santa Claus will have a hard time peeling these off his boots. So here's what we do first. There's like a little screen on the mouse trap that we're gonna pull to expose all that glue. And it's kind of Christmassy, isn't it? It's white and red stripes. So we're gonna take this and just leave it down there. Once he takes his first step, this will attach to his boot and he'll have a hard time getting rid of it. And that's just one of many pranks that we're gonna be pulling off on him. So just leave a mouse trap so he steps on it as soon as he comes down. Now if you wanna be super mean, get yourself one of these snapping mouse traps. This is actually a rat trap. Leave it down there for the big guy. And yeah, he will not have a pleasant time visiting your house this year. Typically Christmas Eve, before you go to bed, guys, you leave Santa some cookies and some milk, right? For his troubles, you know, he's working hard that night. He has to go to so many houses and he has to deliver so many gifts. So you leave him cookies. But these cookies and this milk is gonna be booby trapped. Let me show you how. First, let's get started with these cookies. Now these cookies I made myself, and actually guys, there's nothing wrong with them just yet. But we're gonna give it a little kick by using some spicy peppers. And Santa won't know this, guys. So these are very spicy and they are definitely not for little kids. So let's see if Santa can take the heat. We're gonna take just one piece of this pepper and that should do it. You guys can either tuck this under the frosting or underneath the cookie. For example, that's what I'm gonna do here. Look, I'm just gonna push it in. It's quite soggy, so that makes it perfect. You can't see that it's there anymore, but look, I'm gonna put it back. You can no longer see the pepper, so Santa Claus won't either, guys. When he arrives at your house, he'll probably be hungry. He'll want to take a bite out of a cookie. Once he takes a bite out of this cookie, we all know what's gonna happen, right? He'll definitely be in for a flaming surprise, guys. So if he was half asleep when he started delivering presents, this will definitely wake him up. Now, what happens if Santa Claus has fire in his mouth because of the pepper? He's gonna want to drink some milk. And milk usually puts out the spiciness in anything. Because I know you guys have seen people eating hot wings with milk. I know, it sounds gross, but it does work. So we're gonna leave Santa some milk. But the cup is gonna be booby trapped. Let me show you how that's gonna happen. Here, guys, I have a styrofoam cup. This is the cup that we're gonna be using for this prank, guys. Here, we're gonna pour some milk in there and it's gonna be for Santa Claus. But before we pour that milk in there, we're gonna booby trap the cup. And here we have some string. I got about a foot long, and on one end I'm gonna tie a big old knot just for better grip, and I will be doing the same to the other end of this string. Alright, so here's the string, guys. We're gonna flip over the cup, and right on the center we're gonna tape the string. Now, like I said, the knot is gonna help us out with grip. Alright, that's it. The other end of the string we're gonna tape on the table. We're gonna coil it up, guys, and it's best if you use clear tape, that way Santa Claus won't see it. He wears glasses anyway, so he really won't see this. Okay, it's ready. Now we're gonna pour some milk for Santa. All right. I'm gonna use some almond milk because I hear he's lactose intolerant. Real milk will upset his stomach, so we don't want to ruin his trip delivering presents, right? So anyway, here's the milk, guys. When he takes a bite out of that cookie and he tastes that pepper and it's gonna start a fire in his mouth, he's gonna want to grab the milk right away and drink it. Now this is what's gonna happen, guys. So he's gonna grab the cup. Oh. So the string kind of pulled it back in a way, and yeah.
You got the camera guy too.
I got some photo with it. But it's definitely going to get Santa too, and it's just going to startle him, guys. And his mouth will still be on fire, and he'll have a little mess that he would probably want to clean up before he leaves. Alright guys, since Santa Claus is bringing you presents, why not leave a present for him? And yes, we're gonna leave him a present, actually 2 presents, and they're both gonna be booby-trapped. This first one is a classic one, and for that all you need is a balloon. Now this balloon that I have right here has water in it, and it's quite full. So we're gonna take a gift box, such as this one right here. We're gonna open it up, and yes, this is a really beat up one already because I've used it so many times in previous videos. So I'm gonna take the balloon, put it inside. And notice that the balloon is not tied yet, and we don't want to tie it. We just want to pinch the tip and make sure it sticks out of the box. And then we're going to put the top on, just like this. And that's it. The prank is set at this point, guys. Yes, the tip sticks out just a little, but it's not noticeable. And good thing that the balloon is red. Now, Santa Claus, when he comes into your house, it's probably going to be dark. The only lighting he'll get is probably from your Christmas tree. And then you can leave this present for him, and make sure you label that it is for Santa Claus, so he knows that this is his present. He'll be happy because nobody really gives him presents. Usually people take presents from him. So he'll be super happy and excited that somebody took the time to wrap up a present for him. Now this is what's gonna happen, guys, when he opens up this box. Ooh, what is this? Whoa! If he opens it correctly, guys, it might actually get him in the face. So it's 1 in 4 chances that this will splash him in the face. Regardless though, it'll make a mess, and it's a mess that he'll have to clean up before he leaves. Here's another Christmas present that you can leave for Santa. Now this is a bigger box. Now let's open it up. Inside there's a cup. Now this cup is gonna come in very, very handy for this mess. And I want you to look at the inside of this box right here. Nothing fishy about it just yet. And here's the top of the box. We're gonna flip it over, and on top we're gonna place our cup, just like this. So the top is upside down and we have the cup sitting on it. As you can see right here, we're gonna tape down this cup onto the top. Simple stuff so far, right? Alright, so this cup isn't going anywhere. Then we're going to take the actual box, guys, and on the center of it, we're going to poke a hole. So I got my scissors right here, and I'm going to poke a hole right there in the middle. Yeah, it looks pretty messed up, huh? But that's how we want it. Next, we're going to take some kind of water or liquid. Here I have some Kool-Aid, and I'm going to pour it inside the cup. Yeah, that's a lot of liquid, a lot of Kool-Aid in there. Now, guys, we're gonna put the box, the actual gift box, over this so it'll look like it's upside down. And that's it, guys. The prank is set. When Santa comes over, make sure that you somehow leave a label on the box so he sees it. Once he sees it, he'll know it's his gift. He'll know that you cared enough to leave him a present. So, what is he gonna do? He's gonna flip this over to try to open the gift, and of course that's when the booby trap is gonna get executed. So I'm Santa Claus. I'm super happy, I'm excited, I'm eager to open this gift that somebody left for me. But it's upside down, so I'm gonna flip it over and see what it is. Whoa! What's going on here? So that's what's gonna happen, guys. The more openings you leave on it, the messier it'll get. And as you guys just saw, I created a big spill for Santa Claus to clean up. So it's not gonna be his night visiting your house this year, is it? So guys, if you wanna go ahead and prank Santa Claus, go for it, but he might not leave you any gifts. Just throwing that out there. There you guys have it. 5 simple pranks you guys can set up on Santa Claus. If he does happen to stop by your house, you'll easily get him with these pranks. Now I know they're mean, and I know they're kinda extreme, but we're pranksters and that's what we do. We set up pranks. Now if you guys don't wanna ruin your chances of getting presents this year, do not attempt any of these pranks. Honestly, they're just for fun. They're just for your entertainment. So I hope you enjoyed this video and gave it a big thumbs up. And don't forget, one of my upcoming videos, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to take a peek at your Christmas presents before Christmas. And also, I'm gonna be showing you guys 5 more ways to get more Christmas presents. Thanks for stopping by. I'll see you pranksters in my next video. Hey there pranksters, if you click on the top right square, you'll be able to learn 5 clever ways to get more Christmas presents this year. What are you waiting for? Don't miss out. Try to get as many presents as you can.